Hey, are you taking MCAT, NEET exam, DAT, one of these professional exams? I'm so glad you found my video because this organic chemistry trick question almost always shows up in one form or another. It's this reaction of OSO4 to produce a diol. Here's the trick with this reaction. Most students know that this reaction is an alkene reaction. So if you start with an alkene and you treat it with OSO4, it makes a diol. But here's the key. It makes a cis diol where the two alcohols are both wedged or both dashed. But that doesn't match the product that they are asking for. And that's why this is sort of a trickier trick question. And especially if it's in a multiple choice format, it's easy to just get 0 on this kind of question if you don't understand the trick. Here's the trick. You start with a cis alkene. Look what happens. You do the same reaction, OSO4. It still makes the syn diol. They're still both wedged. The two alcohols are still both wedged. But the backbone was locked in place when the reaction occurred, and that backbone was in that cis shape. If we straighten out the backbone and put it back into a zigzag, let's see what happens. So we're going to do a little rotation here. We're going to leave the left carbon with the alcohol the same. But the right carbon, I'm going to flip it 180 degrees, and look what happens. Because it goes down, that wedged OH needs to turn to a dash. And that's the actual product that you get. So with the backbone straightened out, it actually matches. So the correct answer of what the starting alkene for this reaction is, it's actually the cis alkene. So when you see this question on your MCAT, NEET exam, DAT exam, I want you to remember my video here. I want you to ask yourself, should I start with a cis alkene or a trans alkene? And if you ask that question, I think you will get this question right.